Aloha and welcome back to our channel. I hope you are enjoying our dog-friendly road trip series so far. Leave us a comment below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button while you're down there. Follow along as we drive to Moab to Monument Valley. This is the San Juan River. The sunsets in Utah are so vivid. We pulled over to take some photos of the pups against the incredible landscape. The Goldings Lodge is a dog-friendly hotel that's a quick 10-minute drive away from Monument Valley Tribal Park. We reserved a villa rather than a traditional hotel room. The villas are located across the street from the main hotel area. These individual buildings are the villas. Welcome to our home for the night. The villa is outfitted with a queen bed and a fold-out couch in the living room, a queen bed in the bedroom, and a full bath and a mini kitchen. The view from our window was unreal. We couldn't believe we could see so many sandstone formations without leaving the property. After a nice shower and some dinner, we headed to bed so we could get an early start to Monument Valley Tribal Park. Fun fact, Goldings Lodge is in Utah and Monument Valley is in Arizona. We've arrived at the famous Monument Valley Tribal Park. When on tribal land, please respect their rules and regulations. They may differ than the national or state park rules that you're used to. After filling out a short form and paying a $20 fee, you'll have 2 hours to drive through the park. 2 hours may seem like a long time, but there's so much to see and photograph, time will fly by. Make sure to set an alarm and keep track of time. You've probably seen these iconic formations in books, movies, magazines, or social media. After all, Monument Valley Tribal Park is one of the most photographed places in the world. Do you recognize the Mitten Buttes? They are arguably the most famous in the entire park. The pointy rocks in the background are known as Three Sisters. We went during their off-season, so we only saw about 5 other cars doing the self-driving tour. There were never people around when we stopped, which was pretty incredible. The path isn't paved and can get quite dusty. We had to wipe down the windows so we could see clearly. Here you'll come across the opportunity to horseback ride and/or pose with a horse. We decided to pass on that. Dramatic formations, vivid colors, ever-changing skies, Monument Valley Tribal Park is a photographer's dream come true. Can you see why this area is called Artist Point? It frames the buttes and formations in such a perfect way, the artists flock to this area to capture it. Once again, we can't believe how great our timing was for this trip. It felt like a private tour minus the guides. Monument Valley Tribal Park is an incredibly unique and special place. 10 out of 10, 4 paws up. We'll definitely return again. Don't miss episode 9, the MermaidPup Ohana journeys to the city of Page, Arizona for fun times, fantastic views, and phenomenal fried chicken. Did you enjoy this video? If you did, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the rest of our dog-friendly road trip series. To see more of Lulu and Kai, follow us on Instagram and Facebook @MermaidPup.